Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to get a quick video out there because a lot's going on and some of you may or may not be aware of what's going on today. So first off, there's a company called Crowdstrike and they work with Microsoft, and they're a big company. They're in the cloud. You probably heard all those terms before. They did an update overnight, okay, over last night / Friday morning. Huge system update. Any computer that runs Microsoft or is connected to Microsoft that uses Crowdstrike in any way, it crashed. Okay, it crashed overnight. We're having outages of IT outages all over the place. They're calling it the blue screen of death day or blue screen day. Lots of corporate computers are out. Lots of, I think 3 airlines are grounded. A lot of different companies are down. So if you have a company computer and it's down or you can't log on, that's why. Also, if you get to something and something is working, like I was just at Chase Bank right now. Their systems are down, but the ATMs are up. So first off, this is a prepper video, okay? This is being prepared but not scared. I just want to let you know what's going on so you're prepared. It's bright, it's sunny. I'm out here in Arizona. You can probably see in the background, palm trees, all that stuff. I'm just in a parking lot, but just want to get the message out before, as soon as I could, to people that's what's going on. So you may encounter a lot of things that are down today or things that aren't working. Here's just as a prepper kind of conversation. You want to have crypto, cash, and coins. We talked about those 3 things in the past. You want to have cash, you want to have silver, gold, whatever, just to be out of the system, and crypto, similar things, having Bitcoin or something else that you can transact with that's outside of the banking system. Banks are having issues today. As I said, Chase was down, but their ATMs were working. PNC, they were working. I don't know, I didn't go inside, I went to the ATM. Just because I wanted to be prepared so I'm not scared, I very quietly, when I learned about this, went out to the bank, got some more cash just in case. I don't keep much cash in the bank, but I keep even less as of today. Just in, every so often you take more out. That's what happens. So now I have cash on hand. I would not be surprised if we see a dip in silver or gold over the next couple of days. This is Friday, so it's gonna be all weekend. Now let me go back to the computers. From what I've heard, okay, this is gonna be a very difficult fix, meaning that every computer must be manually touched. Now, for people that are proficient with computers and know what they're doing, it's still involved because you have to open it up, and a lot of people don't even have the rights to do this because if you have an IT department at your company, they probably locked you out from being able to monkey with your machine like you need to fix this. And that's on purpose so that the average user doesn't mess things up and makes IT's job that much harder. But this time is different because what's happening is that I think a driver was installed in your computer. It's basically a file that your file, and that helps you run your system. Well, that file is corrupt or broken or something. It didn't work. So now what has to happen is that somebody with good computer knowledge must log into the computer with like admin privileges, erase this file or replace it, and then start it up again. Now that's not the easiest thing to do even if you're computer savvy, you still have to know what you're doing because this is like digging into like the files that the computer uses to boot up. So that's going to take some effort. Now for the average user, for the average company, every IT person is going to have to touch every laptop. So if you're a remote worker, and I am, I've done it for years, you're used to working online, but you need that connectivity. If your computer can't log on, you're dead in the water today. All right, and I have a computer that's dead in the water today. That's just what happens. And have a backup system, have a backup plan, figure out what to do if things go down. But today, what I recommend, very quietly, add a little more cash, fill up your tank, just get some groceries. Just be careful in case the world gets a little crazier between now and Monday, because last weekend got a little crazier too. So quick update, just want to get that out there. If your computer's having a problem, you're not alone. Hang tight. Do what you can, do a little bit more preparation, get some cash on hand so you're prepared, get smaller bills if you can, which is helpful too, 5s and 10s, more than 20s, just so if things go sideways for longer than we expect, you're prepared so you're not scared. Maybe you can help out your neighbor too. So, a lot said today, the Economic Prepper is out.